Hey guys, Blocktrain here, and today I wanted to give you guys a little walkthrough of GDAX, just enough to show you how to buy Bitcoin through Coinbase and through GDAX for no fees at all, zero fees. So the first thing is you'll want to have a Coinbase account. If you don't, please go watch my video on how to set up a Coinbase account and buy your first Bitcoin. But before you buy, please check out this video. Now, if you already have a Coinbase account and you can get into the Coinbase main page, just go on GDAX.com. That's GDAX spelled GDAX. It'll ask you to log in, and you can just use your Coinbase account because they're linked together. They're owned by the same company, and GDAX is just Coinbase's trading platform. They're really two sides of the same coin. And so once you're on this page, you're logged in on this page, you're going to want to deposit USD. Now, if you have a Coinbase account and you've already put US dollars in there, you want to press this deposit button, go to Coinbase account, and just take money out of your USD wallet. So say you want to take $100 and deposit the funds into your GDAX wallet. That's how you do it. Now, if you don't have anything in your Coinbase account and you've done nothing yet, you can just deposit USD directly into GDAX. So you can put in your bank account, press deposit, press bank account right here, put in your bank account. As you can see, I already have my bank account linked in, and take out the amount of money that you want based on your weekly bank transfer limits and put it into GDAX. So it takes money directly from the bank. Now, once you have USD in your GDAX wallet or your balance right here, please note that it'll take about 5 days if you deposit directly from your bank account. And so once you have that USD in here, you'll want to make a limit order. Now, I'm not going to get into the differences between market, limit, and stop orders. Just know that for limit orders, if you post only, so you'll have to make sure this post only is checked right here, there are zero fees. So when you're buying Bitcoin, what you're going to want to do, I'm just assuming you guys want to just buy Bitcoin at the price that it is for no fees. So you'll want to see this green spread on the left right here, and you'll want to find the highest number and put that right here as your limit price, 7636. Now, once you have established that this is the price that you want to buy at, and it has to be amongst this green number. It cannot be any of these red numbers or it won't work. Now, you want to say, how much Bitcoin do I want to buy? Now, the functionality here really isn't great because you can't pre-fill. What you have to do is you have to actually play around with the numbers to see how much it will cost. Total USD cost will be about here. Will be right here. So if I want to buy 0.4, it cost me $3,054.40. Now, let's say I have $3,056. It's really just a game of kind of playing around with the numbers, 003, and see what's the closest you can get to the actual amount that you have. So that's why I have 49 cents left over here, because it's hard to get it exactly. Now, once you have the limit price and the amount that you want to buy set, you want to place your buy order. And that doesn't mean that you immediately buy your Bitcoin. You'll actually see an order over here on the bottom, and it'll tell you whether it's filled. So filled BTC, that number will show up, and then if the number here matches the size here, that means your order has gone through. Now, please be wary. If the price goes up, let's say you make a limit buy order at $7,636 like we were going to do. Then let's say before anyone can actually buy any Bitcoin or anybody sells Bitcoin to the guys at this price, somebody goes and just makes a buy order and buys it at this price, and this price, and the price goes up. Then everything moves over, and the limit buy order that you have would actually move down. And so the reason why I'm saying this is that there's always a possibility with limit orders that the market will move under you and your order will not execute. So you have to make sure that it's all filled. If it's not, you're going to have to cancel your order, and you're going to have to click the top price again, make another limit order, and do it again until you've gotten your share of Bitcoin. So that's just a risk with limit orders, but the amount of money that you'll lose, especially if you're using small amounts like hundreds, is pretty negligible, especially compared to the fees that you have to pay, which are like $2, $3 to Coinbase or GDAX in this case, if you were to use something like the market order, which is more convenient but higher fees. So it's pretty simple to make a limit order. I just walk you guys through the steps to do it. And they pay 0 fees there. So once you deposit the USD in, that's 0 fees. Once you buy the Bitcoin, that's 0 fees. And basically you just get all the Bitcoin you can for the money you have. And so there are no fees, nothing, nada. It's great. Now, if you like this video, please leave me a comment over things I can improve over. I'm just starting out, and I really hope this helped you guys, especially you crypto beginners. I wish I had somebody here to tell me all this when I was just beginning out, and I will be back with more exchange videos.